Hey, this is this blizzard that we got, this northeaster. They don't call it a blizzard. If it was a blizzard, we wouldn't have had to go into work today. But this is just out by my house. There's my friend Nick. We had to do the front of the driveway because it was a pile about 2, 3 to 4 feet high. It's all wet snow. I'm glad I got a metal roof. That snow, it just sounded like grenades were going off all night. So, everybody, Happy New Year, coming up here in another day. Tomorrow's New Year's Eve, and I guess this is like really kind of cool. When I got up this morning, it was like this massive snowy mist in the air. Alright, there we go right there.